Yun, done installation tayo, Honda Click version 3. So naka ano to, semi full pack, tie switch, mini driving light, PL loader back to stock, hazard, pass light, ito pass light to. Tapos with combo light PIA. Yan, so check natin yung mga function. Ito yung pinaka on off na backlight. Yan, may ilaw yan white. Ito yung pinaka hazard. Ito yung pinaka high beam, as is pa rin. Tapos ito yung pinaka low na mini driving light, lane switch, ayan o, low beam, high beam. Tapos pass light uli, low beam, pass light. Tapos patay natin uli, stock horn, PIA horn with combo light, low beam, combo light. Tapos check natin sa harap. Ito, papass light ako to. Natin sa harap, pass light, ayan o, yeah, pass light. Busina PIA with combo light. Yan, low beam, busina, pass light, hazard. Yan o, all goods na all goods. Honda Click version 4 pala to pre. Angas o, all goods na, solid.